tutorial session will show us on how to do an employee department switch. For this exercise, we're going to select an employee that we're going to switch department. So we go to maintenances and we go to employee master file maintenance and we select employee 200 for this exercise. So we enter query, then we enter the employee code 200 and then we execute query. Here employee 200 currently belongs to employee department 1. So we're going to switch this employee department to department 10. So we get out from here, and the first step really to doing a department switch is to ensure that the new department or the department that we're switching this employee to do exist in the department file maintenance. So we go to maintenances and we go to the department file maintenance. Come here and then we enter query and then execute query. By doing this, it will show all the departments that are currently in the system. As we said earlier, we're going to switch that employee department to department 10. Here, department 10 does not exist in the system, so we have to enter the new department. If it does exist, then you don't have to do it. We enter department 10 and then we enter the description and then we save it. Now this department exists in the database. Now we go to the actual program that will perform the actual switch. This program is located under maintenances and it's called department switch. Here we select the department switch from the pull down menu. Now we enter the department range that we're switching. For this exercise, we're going to switch only department 1. So we enter 1 on the beginning department and ending department 1. And we're only switching employee 200. So we enter 200 as the beginning employee and then we enter ending employee 200. And then we enter the new department or the department that we're switching this employee to. We can enter it here or we can go to the list of values and select the department that we're switching this to. And we're going to switch this employee department to department 10. So we select 10 from this list of values. And we click OK. And then we do execute query. Since this program does not generate any report or listing, we simply accept the default screen. So we click on the button run. It says working. We click OK, meaning to say we accept it. And then it says update complete, meaning to say that the switch has been done. So we say OK. And then we go and double check to make sure that the switch did happen. So come here, we go back to employee maintenances, employee master maintenances, and we requery that employee 200. So we enter the employee 200 and then we execute query. Here, this employee department has been switched to department 10. Bear in mind though that payroll history record won't get switched. Only the employee master file department will be switched. So any old payroll record will still belong to the old department. This concludes our tutorial on how to do an employee department switch.